So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes. Today a very important session for all those who want to make their career for Rashtra Military School. दोस्तों आज जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हम पूछने जा रहे हैं सबके सब नए क्वेश्चंस हैं और मुझे उम्मीद है ये न्यू क्वेश्चंस हमारे स्टूडेंट के लिए बहुत बेनिफिट रहेंगे। इसके अलावा मैं बताना चाहूंगा प्लीज आप हमारे दोनों चैनल्स पर पीडी क्लास और इंटरव्यू गाइड पर आरएमएस रिलेटेड वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, बॉडी लैंग्वेज, स्पोकन इंग्लिश से भी रिलेटेड वीडियोस देख सकते हैं। तो अर्जुन सबसे पहले मैं आपको वेलकम करता हूं और नेक्स्ट मैं कैंडिडेट से मिलवाना चाहूंगा उर्वशी से। उर्वशी, आर यू कंफर्टेबल इन आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस?
यस सर।
ओके, सो मिस्टर अर्जुन, सबसे पहले मैं जानना चाहूंगा, आज नए क्वेश्चंस है सारे, तो मुझे बताइए कि सेल क्या होता है?
Sir, cell is the structure and functional unit of life.
वेरी गुड। एंड व्हाट इज मैटर?
Matter, that anything which occupies space and mass is called matter.
वेरी गुड। नाउ माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, कैन यू डिफाइन व्हाट इज डिजीज?
Yes sir. Disease is a disorder of human organism.
Okay, it's a disorder of structures and functions in living organisms.
Yes.
Good answer, almost you have given. How many types of diseases are there?
Sir, two sir.
Two types. Can
Yes.
you name them?
Yes sir. Congenital disease and acquired disease.
Can you define with any proper example and all this?
Yes sir. Congenital disease is disease which is from the birth.
Oh, it's from the birth.
Yes,
Any
sir.
example?
An example, color blindness.
Right. And the second one is?
Sir, after the birth, which disease after the birth?
What is the name of that disease?
Sir, acquired disease.
Acquired disease. Okay. Can you tell me about the deficiency of vitamin A? What happens?
Sir, color night blindness.
Night blindness. And vitamin C?
Scurvy, sir.
Okay. And vitamin B?
Beriberi, sir.
Okay. And what is the deficiency of vitamin D?
Sir, rickets.
Very nice. And what is the deficiency of vitamin K?
Blood, no blood clotting.
No blood clotting. Very
Yes, sir.
good. And what is the deficiency of vitamin E?
Vitamin E, sir, muscles damage, muscle
Okay.
and nerve damage.
Very good. There is a damage of muscles and nerves. What do you mean by the word global warming?
So it is increasing the temperature in Earth's atmosphere.
Okay. Why it is increasing? Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Please
By
tell.
pollution, by vehicles, by industries, etc.
Very good. Now tell me, how many continents are there?
Sir, there are 8 continents.
8 continents.
Yes,
I have heard there are 7 only.
No, sir, the new continent was joined, sir.
Okay. So I think it is not a proper continent. Now I think not yet decided. But do you know the name of that continent?
Yes, sir.
What it is?
Sir, it is Zealandia, sir.
Very good.
It
And
is-
it is under where?
New Zealand, sir.
New Zealand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my next question to you is regarding digestion. I want the process, what happens, how the body food enters in the body, and do you know everything? When we eat the food, what happens?
Yes, sir.
Please tell.
Sir, first of all, the food enters in the mouth
Okay.
and then esophagus
Okay,
and then
you mean to say when we eat the food, then the food goes in esophagus.
yes, sir.
So there is one salivary glands which are present in the mouth.
Yes.
Like I can
Salivary.
say, yes, it develops saliva.
Yes, sir,
right?
saliva.
Which helps in the digestion and all these things.
Yes.
So then comes esophagus, and after that,
Sir, after that it is come for stomach.
stomach.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think in stomach pepsin and renin are there. We digest the proteins.
Yes, sir.
And after this,
Sir, it is gone for small intestine.
okay, first small intestine comes,
Yes, sir.
and then
Large intestine.
very good. Then
And then go to rectum and then go to anal canal.
okay, thrown out of the body through anal canal.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Ultimate answer you have given. Now I'm giving chance to Urvashi. Okay, Urvashi, please handle.
Yes, sir. I'm Arjun. Your name is?
So my name is Shining and Brightness.
Okay. Tell about your city.
My district is Theni. It is in Tamil Nadu. It is known as for the celebration of Pongal.
Okay. Tell about your study.
Education.
I have completed 5th class with 87%.
Okay. Tell about your hobby.
My hobbies are playing cricket and football and reading motivational stories.
Okay. Why military school?
Ma'am, it is my aim to make my career in army, and for that I need an environment which will motivate me for join Indian army and serve my motherland. I have learned from my parents, if a person lost his wealth, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. The motto of Rashtra Military School is Shilam Param Bhushanam, which means character is the highest virtue. I want to become an important jewel of my nation.
Very nice.
Okay.
Tell me, you told your strengths are?
My strengths are I am self-confident
Can
and a
you
hard
prove
worker.
that you are a confident person? Prove it.
Yes, sir.
Prove.
Sir, throughout my education, I always remain 80% holder.
Okay.
Because of my competitiveness, I am sitting in front of you respected peoples.
Okay. And who is your best friend?
Sir, my best friend is Vipul, sir.
Why he is your best friend?
Sir, because he was very self-confident,
He
sir.
is very.
Yes, sir. He is very.
So you like people those who are self-confident?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As I promised my viewers that I'll ask all the general questions, ZK new questions. And today almost I have asked new questions और मैं और भी नए questions पूछने जा रहा हूँ ताकि इस वीडियो का अपने बच्चों को बहुत बेनिफिट मिले. तो मैं चाहूँगा सिटी ऑफ स्काई स्कैपर किसे कहा जाता है?
Sir, New York.
वेरी गुड. और म्यांमार पार्लियामेंट को क्या कहा जाता है?
Puti Uthai.
ओके. फर्स्ट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड?
Sir, Taxila University.
वेरी गुड. फर्स्ट कंट्री टू सेंड ह्यूमन ऑन मून?
Sir, USA.
ओके. द लार्जेस्ट पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक इन इंडिया?
Sir, SBI.
लार्जेस्ट सी लिंक इन इंडिया?
Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link.
लार्जेस्ट कैनल?
Indira Gandhi Canal.
ओके. लॉन्गेस्ट पैसेंजर ट्रेन रूट?
Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari.
द ओल्डेस्ट चर्च ऑफ
Saint-
इंडिया?
Okay, sir. St. Thomas Palyar at Kerala.
द टॉलेस्ट टीवी टावर इन इंडिया?
Fazilka.
ओके. एंड द हाईएस्ट एयरपोर्ट इन इंडिया?
Leh Airport.
ओके. द बिगेस्ट रिवर आइलैंड?
Manjuli Brahmaputra.
Okay. Largest river in the world?
Amazon.
Okay. Highest waterfall in the world?
Sir, Angel Waterfall.
Largest city in the world?
Tokyo.
And largest city in India?
Mumbai.
Very good. Largest canal in the world?
Grand Canal.
Longest railway tunnel?
Gathered.
In the world I'm asking.
Okay, sir. Gathered Base Tunnel.
Okay. And largest library in the world?
The Library of Congress.
Okay. Tallest monument in the world?
The Gateway of Arc.
Okay. Most active volcano in the world?
Mauna Loa.
Okay. Wailing Wall is in?
Jerusalem.
Okay. And Opera House?
Sydney in Australia.
Imperial Palace?
Sir, it is in Tokyo, Japan.
Very good. UK national emblem is?
Sir, Rose.
And Indian national emblem is?
Lion Capital.
And Germany national emblem?
Cornflower.
Okay. Now I'm asking about the national animal.
Okay, sir.
Sri Lanka national animal?
Lion.
Okay. And Canada national animal?
Eagle.
Very good. Malaysia national animal?
Malayan Tiger.
And Afghanistan national animal?
Snow Leopard.
Very good. Island place in India?
Sir, Udaipur in Rajasthan.
Hanging garden in India?
Mumbai.
Very good. Lingaraj temple is in India?
Bhubaneswar in Odisha.
Amir Palace?
Sir, Jaipur.
Okay. Bhakra Dam?
Bilaspur in Himachal Pradesh.
Ajanta?
Ajanta, it is in Maharashtra, sir.
Third largest mountain?
Sir, Kanchenjunga.
Okay. IMF full form?
International Monetary Fund.
Okay. And UNU full form?
United Nation University.
It's where?
So it is in USA.
It's in Tokyo. Okay.
Thank you, sir, for updating my knowledge.
Okay. Army Day?
Sir, 15 January.
Okay. Science Day?
February 28.
Water Day?
March 22.
Environment Day?
April 22.
No. 5th June.
5th June.
Health Day?
April 7.
Okay. Air Force Day?
Air Force Day, sir, October 8.
October 8. And Navy Day?
December 4.
Very nice. So nice. Now tell me, we are making salutes.
Yes,
and
sir.
different salutes are there for three of Navy, Army and Air Force, right?
Yes, sir.
What are those? Please tell me.
Sir, Navy,
We salute like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In Army, we salute like this.
Okay.
In Air Force, we salute like this.
Okay. Is it sure?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Now I'm giving chance again to Ruchi. Ruchi, have your questions, please.
Yes, sir. Arjun, tell about your weakness.
My weakness is I am improving my handwriting.
Okay. And your favorite subject
My favorite subject is maths.
and favorite teacher.
My favorite teacher is Mukesh sir.
There are 3 defense service. बताएं.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी.
Air Force, Navy, and Army.
And
Tell the dates.
Establishment.
Yes.
Army is in 1895.
Okay.
Navy is in 1830. And then Air Force is 1932.
Okay. Very nice. And motto.
Motto of Army is service before self. Navy, Shanno Varun, which means may the Lord of water expiate unto us. And Air Force is Napsparsham Diptam, which means touch the sky with glory.
Okay, very nice. And tell about your family.
There are 4 members in my family.
Okay.
My father is a defense person, my mother is a housewife, and I have an elder sibling. She is studying in 11th class.
Very nice. You are giving good answers today and really appreciable. Can you tell me the highest lake where it is?
Yes sir, Devta Lake.
Okay. And longest dam?
Sir, Bhankra Nagal Dam.
It's Hirakunda.
Yes sir. Thank you sir for
Yes,
updating my
yes.
knowledge.
And largest lake?
Largest lake, sir, Caspian Sea.
Right. Very good. Okay. Regarding GK part, you are good enough. What are your hobbies? You stated you like storybooks also.
Yes sir.
So what type of stories you read?
Sir, I have read Who Moved My Cheese.
So what you read in that?
Sir, in Reddit there are 4 people.
Okay.
There are 2 mice
Right.
and 2 men.
Okay.
The 2 men name is Ho and Ham.
Right.
Ho is a positive person and Ham is a negative person.
Okay.
They enjoying cheese and they suddenly see that the cheese was finished. 2 mice was gone to for new cheese.
Okay.
And then Ham was said for Ham that please come me, we will find a new cheese.
Who
and
said?
Sir, Ho.
Host said to
Yes,
Ham.
yes, sir.
Okay.
And the Ham chest there was no cheese in the maze.
Being negative personality.
Yes sir, it
Right.
is. And the Ho goes to find a new cheese.
Right.
Few days later, 2 mice and the Ho was enjoying new cheese.
Oh.
And then we learn a moral from them. Movement in a new direction, find a new cheese.
Very nice. And here what is cheese?
So cheese is my aim.
Very good. So presently your cheese is
Yes,
RMS.
yes sir.
What is the
RMS.
short term and long term goal of life?
Sir, my short term goal is to pass the RMS and long term is to become an army officer.
वेरी नाइस. कैसा लगा आपको यहाँ पर पीडी क्लासेस पर?
सर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर.
और आप अपने मदर के साथ आए हैं?
यस सर.
तो आपको क्या लगता है वाकई में 7 डेज में चेंजेस आते हैं?
सर बहुत आते हैं सर.
तो बहुत लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि 7 डेज में क्या होगा सर, आज तक लाइफ में कुछ नहीं हुआ, 10 साल हो गए, 12 साल हो गए, कुछ नहीं हुआ, ये 7 दिन में ऐसा क्या हो जाएगा? तो आपका क्या आंसर है इसके लिए?
सर यहाँ पर 7 दिन में बहुत कुछ होता है. पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, बहुत चेंजेस होते हैं यहाँ पर.
क्या आपको लगता है वाकई में चेंजेस आते हैं?
यस सर.
और उसे क्या लगता है ड्रास्टिक चेंज आया है बच्चे के अंदर?
Yes, sir.
ओके. तो मैंने बात करी आपके पेरेंट्स से, दे आर वेरी हैप्पी. और जब आपके फादर से मदर तो आपके आए हुए हैं यहाँ पर आपके साथ.
यस सर.
तो मुझे लगता है कि आपका जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है बहुत अच्छा रेजअप हुआ है और आप प्रैक्टिस करते रहेंगे और हमारे साथ ऑनलाइन बने रहेंगे.
यस सर.
तो लगता है आपको आपने जल्दी ज्वाइन किया, बेनिफिट मिला उस चीज़ का आपको?
Yes, sir, बहुत
और अब आप
benefit
ऑनलाइन रहेंगे हमारे साथ.
Yes, sir.
राइट. तो मेरी ब्लेसिंग्स आपको. कीप इट अप.